In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashboard in Wrike. Wrike is a popular project management tool, and being able to create custom dashboards is an essential skill that can help you track your projects more effectively. So, let's jump right into it. First, you'll want to head over to your Wrike account. Once you're logged in, you'll typically start from your Wrike workspace dashboard. Here, look towards the left side of the screen where you can find a section called More. Click on that, and you'll see a list of different options. Among these options, you should find Dashboards. This is where we will create our new dashboard. After you've clicked on Dashboards, you'll be taken to the dashboard area. This is where you can see any existing dashboards you might have, but today we're going to focus on creating a brand new one. Look for an option that says Section and click on it. It might be located towards the top left or right corner, depending on your specific arrangement, but it's typically very accessible. Once you've clicked on Section, you will see a prompt or a field where you can type the name of your new dashboard. This part is crucial because the name of your dashboard should ideally reflect its purpose or the project it's associated with. This way, you can quickly identify it later on. For example, if this dashboard is for tracking marketing campaigns, you might want to name it something like Marketing Dashboard. After typing in a suitable name for your new dashboard, move on to the option that says Create. It usually appears as a button, and this is what you'll click to finalize the creation process. Once you click Create, your new dashboard will be added to your list, and you can start customizing it. Now that you have your dashboard, it's time to add some widgets. Widgets are essentially the building blocks of your dashboard, allowing you to display various types of information. Locate the widget option. This usually appears after your dashboard has been created. By clicking on it, you're giving yourself the ability to choose what information or data you'd like to present on your dashboard. This could be anything from specific project metrics, status updates, or reports that you need to keep an eye on. And that's it. You have successfully created a dashboard in Wrike. From here, you can continue customizing your widgets, adjusting layouts, and refining it to suit your needs better. The more you tweak and adjust, the more useful it will become in helping you manage your projects efficiently. Thank you for watching, and happy project tracking.